Welcome back if you are returning. Welcome if this is your first time. So first things first, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please make sure that you're subscribed. Go make sure that you hit that subscribe button that should be below this video, or I'll try to plug it in if I can, but please subscribe. That would really be really helpful for me and my YouTube journey page. Just do that. Subscribe. Just subscribe. Just do that. Let's get into it. Just wanted to give you guys a little check-in just so you guys can see how things are going. So I am doing a 2-week update of my starter lock / 2-strand twist. Just in case if you're starting your journey or you've already started your journey and you're just wondering what your hair is going to look like in 2 weeks, does not mean that your hair is going to look like how my hair looks right now in 2 weeks, but just as a reference, just so you guys can see what's going on. And I will come back when I want to do my first retwist, which probably won't be until around like the 4 to 5 week mark. And I'm loving it so far, and I'm really excited with just what's happening, even though it's only been 2 weeks. I'm excited for what's going to happen over the next several months and years. So first things first, my twists are 2 weeks old. So if you did not watch my first video of me actually doing my starter locks, then make sure that you stop this video and then you go to that video first, and I'll put like a little card or a little thing. I'll put something here. And then watch that video first, so that way you can see how I started my locks, and that way you can know what steps I took to even get this, and come back and watch what is looking like 2 weeks later. If you watch my first video when I first put my locks in, then you know that I put them in on March 21st, and today is, I never know the date, you guys. I should really check the calendar before I do these videos, but I'll put the date here. I don't know what today is. So obviously my hair is definitely already starting to get frizzy, and I've done mini twists on my hair before, just when I was a loose natural, so I know that in general my hair actually locks fairly easily. Back when I used to do mini twists on my hair, if I would accidentally, wow, these blinds are like really in there, huh? Just to like leave my mini twist in for like a month to 2 months sometimes, just out of laziness, my hair would actually really be like locked up. Still very much so twists, it's just very frizzy. Only been 2 weeks and I already am just noticing that the frizz is coming in for sure, and I don't mind it at all. I like the frizz. I think it kind of gives it a little bit more volume. My hair, even though it's thick, it's very fine, so it's like fine, thick 4B, 4C texture. It doesn't take much for it to look very flat. So I'll take the frizz. Yeah, I did combine 2 twists in the front that I thought were just too small, and I don't even remember which 2 it was. I want to say it was maybe like this one, and I don't know what other one. Maybe this one. It might have been these 2, I don't know. But there were 2 locks that were too small, so I put them together because I just didn't want them to be that small. I have been keeping my hair pretty well moisturized, I would say. And I will do a separate video on how I keep my hair moisturized and what I do to make sure that my hair doesn't get dry, because I do get really dry scalp, and I do just get dry hair naturally. My hair just gets dry fairly easily. Now, I haven't washed my hair, so it's only been 2 weeks and I have not washed my hair. I'm trying to wait. I don't really want to wash my hair until it's about 4 weeks old. I'm trying to hold out because I do really want my locks to lock successfully, and I don't want it to be too difficult for my hair to start to lock. And I know that you know, if I'm in there shampooing it too soon before these twists really get to like lock up, I could be risking them unraveling. So I'm trying to kind of be patient with that. And it is kind of hard for me because I do really want to wash my hair. I have wet my hair. So I've wet my hair quite a few times actually, and I've wet my hair probably a good like 4 or 5 times since I put those twists in. I know. Listen, Linda. Listen, I know. If there are consequences that are going to come from this, I am prepared to accept the consequences that come with wetting my hair. But I've been wetting my hair and I haven't had any negative effects from it thus far, and I will keep you updated if something goes terribly wrong because I wet my hair. I will definitely let you guys know. And I think that's what is most important in regards to this locks journey, is knowing your hair, because like I said, you can watch 100 videos and none of the locks that you see may turn out how your locks are gonna look. But I know my hair, and I know that my hair actually locks and gets like knotted and tangled up faster when it gets wet. I knew that by me wetting my hair, it wasn't necessarily going to cause any harm to my twists. None of my twists are unraveling due to my hair getting wet. If anything, I honestly feel like it's starting to make it tangle up and lock a little bit quicker. Obviously, it's been 2 weeks, so not that much has really happened in regards to the lock process, but I am starting to feel at like the roots. Let me see if I can find, you probably won't be able to actually really see anything, especially with me filming on my phone, but like this one here, and now mind you, my hair is dirty, so I'm sorry, but like this here in this area, it is a little like dense. Now, I don't know, because this is my first time ever having locks. I don't know if this is really the start of a lock or what this is, but there's quite a few in here where at the very root it's just a little dense, especially more towards like the center crown of my hair. So that's exciting, and I'm hoping that that means it's on a journey to doing something fairly soon. That'd be dope. I'm just going with the journey. I'm just kind of taking my time, allowing my hair to do its thing. I just wanted to give you guys a 2-week update, and this is post-wet hair. So I did just take a shower, so it was not laying down as nicely. So if you're 2 weeks in and your locks are like, you know, like all kinds of ways. My hair was just looking like that like 10 minutes ago, I swear. I took a shower and I got my hair wet, so that's why all of the twists are laying down now. I do try to moisturize my hair at least once every other day because my hair does get dry quickly, so I do have to moisturize it consistently. Yeah, that's pretty much all the update. I don't have a lot to give you guys since I'm 2 weeks in. I'm excited to give you guys the retwist update once I do finally retwist my hair, and I will still be filming a video on why I decided to do my locks. Please share this video with any of your friends that are thinking about locking their hair, or any of your family members that maybe are thinking about locking their hair and they want to know just what their journey is going to look like. You should have them come to my channel so that they can lock their hair with me, or you can lock your hair with me. So if you've just locked your hair, or you're thinking about it, and you start now, then we'll be pretty close on our lock date, so we can kind of go through this whole journey together. So yeah, use my platform as that I guess lock buddy, your little lock pen pal. I am loving it. I'm loving my hair, you guys. I am really loving it. I don't really have anything else to say. I don't really know. I don't have a whole lot to share because, again, not a whole lot has happened. But I just want to give you guys an update because I know that before I was starting my locks, I think the time period I was most concerned about was like the starter lock, the whole like awkward phase, or you know, whatever people want to call it. I was a little concerned about what that would look like for me, and even just what my hair would look like 2 weeks out when my twists don't look fresh anymore. And if you're concerned about that, then I just kind of wanted to give you a reference. You can just see what mine are looking like. I think they look cute. Everything's going good so far. I'm happy with how things are transforming. But yeah, I have been wearing it up because sometimes there's just too much hair like all over my face and just all over everywhere. So I will just put it up with this little hairband, and I'll wear it like this sometimes. But yeah, that's all I really have to share for you guys. So thanks for coming back onto my channel, or thanks for stopping by, and I will update you guys when I do my retwist, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me, and I'll make sure that I get those out. And I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope that you guys are, you know, just spending time with the people that you guys care about, because I know that right now it's very just like trying and challenging time right now. So yeah, I'm sending my love and my strength to all of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay?